Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with quite a basic algebraic expression, or algebraic equation rather, question that I have no doubt you guys will master within 30 seconds or less. So let's have a quick look. So we've got x cubed equals 64. So I'm going to write it over here. X cubed equals 64. This is the thing that's really putting us off. To get this x by itself, we need to try and get rid of this cube. How do we do that? Well, we know that the opposite or the inverse operation of cube is going to be the cube root. So that means we need to cube root that, and what will happen is this cube root will cancel out that cube and we'll be left with just an x. But remember, the golden rule of an equation is that the left-hand side must always equal the right-hand side. So if you've cube rooted the left-hand side, that means we need to cube root the right-hand side as well. So cube rooting both sides is going to give us x. So we know it's going to be x on the left-hand side. And then the cube root of 64 we know to be 4. Why is it 4? Because 4 times 4 is 16. Times 4 is going to be 64. So x is equal to 4, and that is the final answer. Thank you so much to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to check them out in the description below. Visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send it directly to us and we'll respond directly back with your personalized video. Until the next time, stay epic.